Here we will discuss the topic logic gates. What are the different type of logic gates and its combination of logic gates are discussed here, and universal gates are discussed here. Here is the one of the main part of NTA NET examination. So here we discuss all the logic gate sections and its previous questions. Stay tuned. First for basic logic gates. What is a basic logic gates? There are mainly three type of logic gates. First one AND gate, second one OR gate, and third one NOT gate. Okay, there are mainly three type of logic gates: AND, OR, and NOT. First of all, AND gate. What is an AND gate? The truth table of AND gate is here. Its peculiarity is if both the inputs are true, the output become true. If the both inputs are true, the output become true. Otherwise, the output become false or 0. Here, true indicates the 1 and false indicates the 0. So, the peculiarity of a AND gate is both inputs are false, the output become false. Any single one of the input is false, the output become also false. The only true if the both inputs are true. So, in AND gate, both inputs are true, the output become true. Inputs are true means 1, 1, so the output become 1. The next gate is OR gate. The peculiarities of the OR gate is if any one of the input is true, the output become true. Any one of the input is true, the output become true. Here Y is true, the output become true. Here X is true, so the output is true. Here X and Y are true, so the output is true. And in only one case, the output is false because the X and Y are false. Both input are false, the output become false. Otherwise, the output will become true. So it is called a OR gate. Any one input is true, the output become true. The next gate is NOT gate. NOT is the just complement of the input. That means if the input is true, the output become false, and if the input is false, the output become true. Here X is the variable or the content. If the value of X is 0, then the NOT gate, the output is 1. That means just to complement the value. And also if the value of X is 1, the output become 0. So 0 input, the output become 1. 1 input, the output become 0. It is called the NOT gate, just to complement the bits. Next topic is universal gates. What is a universal gate? There are mainly two type of universal gates. First one AND gate and second one NOR gate. AND and NOR gates are universal gates. So first of all we discuss the NAND gate. Here NAND and NOR gates are universal gates, NAND and NOR. So first we discuss the NAND gate. What is a NAND gate? NAND means AND plus NOT is called a NAND gate. AND plus NOT. That means here we discuss the AND gate. So truth table is here. This AND plus NOT is called the NAND gate. Okay. So the NAND gate contains same inputs X and Y. The output become just two opposite to the AND gate because AND plus NOT is called a NAND gate. The truth table is if the both inputs are true, the output become false. Both inputs are true, the output become false. In the case of AND gate, both inputs are true, the output will become true. So just to opposite to the AND gate, we will get the NAND gate. So other outputs are 1. Only one condition, the both inputs are true, the output become false. Otherwise, the output will become true. It is called a NAND gate. Then NOR gate. NOR means OR plus NOT. We already told the OR gate and it is noted with OR. We will get the NOR gate. The condition is if both input are false, the output become true. Here both input are false, the output become true. Otherwise, the output become false. So 0 indicates false and both inputs are false, the outputs become true. That means 1. And all other cases 0 1 1 0 1 1, the output become false. So it is just a complement of OR gate. OR plus NOT, we will get NOR gate. Then next we will discuss other gates. What are the other gates are used in the NTA NET examinations and its questions? First of all, we discuss the XOR gate and second one XNOR gate. What is XOR gate and XNOR gate? So here first XOR gate. XOR means if both inputs are same, the output become false. Both inputs are same, the output become false. Here the both inputs are same and here also the both inputs are same. Inputs are X and Y. So X is 0, Y is 0, the output will become 0. X is 1, Y is 1, the output become again 0. Other cases, the output become high or 1. So the only condition of XOR is if both inputs are same, the output become false. Otherwise, the output is true. Okay, that means 0, 1, the output is true. 1, 0, the output is true. Other two cases, that means both inputs are low and both inputs are high, the output become false. It is called a XOR gate. Then next is XNOR gate. What is XNOR gate? XNOR means XOR plus NOT. That means just complement of XOR gate is called a XNOR. That means XOR plus NOT. The condition is if both inputs are same, the output become true. Both inputs are same, the output become true. Here in this XOR gate, both inputs are true, the output become false. Okay. In XNOR, the both inputs are false or true, same. That means the both inputs are same or false or true. We will get the answer true or 1. Okay. In this XNOR gate, both inputs are same. The output become true or high or 1. It is the just complement of XOR gate. That means XNOR is XOR plus NOT. So again we explain these contents. First of all, we discuss the AND gate. AND gate means both inputs are high, the output become high, otherwise false. In OR gate, both inputs are false, the output become false, otherwise the output become high. In NOT gate, just input is 0, the output become 1. Input is 1, the output becomes 0. Then the universal gates are NAND and NOR. Why the NAND and NOR is called universal gates? Because we can create all other basic gates. That means AND, OR, NOT and all other gates using NAND and NOR gates. So it is called universal gates. Universal gate means we can create all other basic gates using these two gates, AND and NOR. So it is called universal gates. First of all, NAND means AND plus NOT. AND plus NOT means we know the truth table of AND gate. It is just a complement of AND gate truth table. We get NAND gate. So the both inputs are same. The output become the both inputs are high. The output become false. And all other cases, the output become true. Both inputs are high. The output become false. That means both inputs are 1. The output become 0. Otherwise, the output become 1. In this NOR gate, then the gate is XOR and XNOR gates. Other gates are XNOR and XOR gates. Here first of all, XOR means if the both inputs are same, the output become false. Here 0, 0, output is 0, 1, 1, output is 0. That means both inputs are same, output become false. In XNOR gate, both inputs are same, output become high. That means 0, 0, we will get 1, 1, 1, we will get again 1. Otherwise, the output become 0. So, it is the basic gates used in the NTA NET examination and all other competitive examinations. So based on these gates, we focused some questions. So discuss later chapters. Okay, thank you.